Hello and welcome back. In our last episode, we jump into some big projects, installing a space heater and figure out how to fit a leisure battery under a driver's seat. If you missed it, the link is in the description. I would recommend to watch it. Today, we are picking up right where we left off, but with a whole new set of new challenges. We are replacing a fridge that requires a complex gas and electrical work. We will also be doing some major rewiring to get everything working correctly, properly and right. And of course, all this hard work is supported by a lot of love and a few unexpected situations. So sit back, relax and enjoy the episode. So the plan for today is we're gonna keep working with the fridge. Yesterday we put this fridge in. It wasn't easy, but we did it. It's went through the driver's door. This is the old fridge. The problem with this fridge is it's not getting cold. So this one will definitely get cold because brand new one. We're gonna sort out some wires. We're gonna make them a bit more clear, a bit more tidy. We're gonna put everything back together. We're gonna make sure it's all in the right places where it should be. And also we need to extend the gas pipe. This is gonna be a good, interesting challenge because this gas pipe need to go somewhere around that and need to be connected in another best place. Bloody hell. Oh, it's gonna be a pain in the arse. Yeah. Just, to get to the... What I think is there's no chance we can pipe first and then...
You need to put it forward and just fanning about the wiring as well. And like you say, you just get that in.
We have a connector to do, right? There is a special connector for the fridge that...
Yep, okay.
You can spade terminal onto it.
Yeah, I know. But then I usually put a lot of insulation tape to keep it in place. Or, the best thing is...
By the way, no, I didn't take it with me. You know what I did last time? You put a spade terminals and you put the hot glue in there. The hot glue in there and it's make it nice and forever.
Yeah.
So you have a hot glue gun? Forget this plan. We're gonna use the spare terminals and a lot of insulation tape. I can drive back to Bristol to get my hot glue gun. No, walk by the way.
Go back.
Wait a second. I don't know why, but of course it's gonna be 68 locks. Just stop one. Okay. Do you know, by the way, I know how to fix those steps. Did we?
Yes.
Is it not where I did welding? No, I got a couple of them where this, teeth come off and I do re-welding and re-cutting, re-grinding. A lot of job, big job. So, if I'm right, and usually I am right. Come on, no, wait. Okay, this is mains. But there also should be, or maybe it's...
They usually just give you a mains connector.
Just a mains connector, yeah? Yeah. Jack, I can see every single hair on your beard. Oh, it's even zoom. Look at that. I need to get something the same for my airsoft games. This brilliant piece of kit. Absolutely stunning piece of kit. Wow. Alright, my plan is I'm gonna take the fridge out, I'm gonna push it out, and there is a gas pipe I need to connect, but I'm gonna connect the gas pipe on the fridge itself and then connect to this pipe. It's gonna be much easier than try to squeeze my hands through this and try to measure, bend through this little windows when I can just take it out and do everything outside. Much easier. Should be. I hope so.
Okay, that's another challenge. The feed for the engine for the fridge is not powering, so there's no power, and now we need to try to find out why it's not there. So again, wires and wires. So we do try to find out where the feed is for the fridge, engine feed. Technically, with the customer driving the van, there should be an option to keep his fridge cold, and if you want to keep it cold, there should be a special wire that feeds the fridge, like making this cold, and this wire at this moment doesn't work. So we try to track where the fault is, but it was rewired. It's 100 of options and ways where to see. So I'm trying to go through the kind of the most common ways just to see what else I can do. I don't know, it might take time and time and time, but need to be done. I'm going to extend the wires and just try to track it by every single wire what is inside. So just to try find out where is another end of the wire I need in there. So that's why I'm going to use a meters of spare wires just to make sure that I'm working on the right one. Alright, I'm halfway through. I did find the right wire, which is already good. Now I need to understand, so this is the end of the other wire that I need. Now we just need to understand why it's not working, and it's might be another 126 different options, but just need to go step by step through all this. Alright, technically it works, it's right, but now it's clicking and it's kind of on off, so we fixed one problem, we got another problem. And this kind of like a typical day of the motorhome. We do repair one thing and then we got problems with another one. Something is definitely wrong in there, so yeah, unfortunately nothing else can be done, so we're going to leave it as it is, and then we're going to speak to customer. Does he want to do some rewiring on this system, because this little box that is feeding the fridge is faulty, completely faulty, and it's old. Fair enough, it's old. And there's new wiring, new system, split charger need to be installed, but this is a big job, so we need to speak to customer first. Does he want to do this or he doesn't want to do this? Is he happy with his new fridge running on a gas and 240 only, or he still need 12 volt? So let's wait for the customer decision.
Why I'm crew again? When I'm gonna be captain?
Alright, there was another job to do. It's to put the control panel, and I just was hanging with the head down for about 10 minutes to try to put just that is 6 wires in. Still one left, but I think we're gonna call it today because it was bloody hell, I think about again 11-12 hours of works. A lot of stuff was done, quite a good productive day, but there is time to go home too. So yeah, this was gonna be a challenge for Jack because tomorrow I can't come, so Jack need to finish by himself. But it's quite straightforward, everything is